me, Fancy Nancy, and today I'm here to talk about how to dress up a laundry room. So, you know, laundry rooms can kind of be basic sometimes and you just want to find something to add a little creativity to your laundry room. You can find these at Hobby Lobby or Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, any place like that, and you simply fill them up with your laundry pods or detergent, however you want. Usually you can do them in groups of 2 or 3, and you leave them sitting on your shelf. It's really easy to just throw one into the laundry as you're washing your clothes, and it looks decorative. Your laundry room is cute and clean. I also like to add artwork in my laundry room just to have something, because you want to feel good when you come into the space, because no one really likes doing laundry. So this is a great way to kind of spruce up your laundry room. Super cheap. These run about, depending on where you go, $15 to $30, depending on how deep they are. And it is a great look and something that is easy to do. And that is Fancy Fridays for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope everyone's living just fancier.